no hakso haha. Karibu tuikire wira.
When I wrote and communicated with the county commissioner yesterday, Benson Leparomorijo, and also I talked with the OSPD, Mr. Kimani, and also with the county AP commandant, Mr. Kamuria, and I told them I'm coming to the office today with my staff and we continue doing our work. And I expected that this gate would be open. We don't need anything from them. The public installations in the buildings, they can be able to take care of them and we have no interest. But we just need our access as usual so that we can discharge our businesses. So what has happened, you know, the guilty are always afraid. The county commissioner has disappeared from the office. The deputy county commissioner has disappeared from office. The police AP commandant has disappeared from the office. The police commander has disappeared. I'm wondering what kind of powers do I have to make a whole security agency? Because completely they are afraid because of the criminal activities they are propagating. And this is very unfair. Let me tell you, what we are going to pursue the truth and justice. Ndegwa Wahome is nothing. Ndegwa Wahome is just a mere motto. But we should have order and direction in this county.
We'll do what the law has provided us to do. We'll start where the law is because we know what is right for us. And therefore, that is why we have agreed that we are not going to force our way, and at no given time we will force our way. We'll always respect the court orders because we are law-abiding citizens. Now, this is our workstation, and I think the office of the clerk has not received any communication on why the staff are being denied access to their workstations. And therefore, I think in support of what the speaker is saying, I think we need to again go to court, maybe to understand now who has actually locked the premises or denied the staff access to this. Because I think unless there is a court order, then I think there is, and the board, who is our employer, has not directed us or has not indicated that we vacate our workstations. So maybe I think we need to be advised on the way forward.